Nyabara wa timu ya mubira wa maguru ya imwana stakiretie miaka 23 Francis Kimanzi ena mwihoko ati timu yake nikahota timu ya Sudan muthi wa rucio kiharo-ini gia Kasarani. Kimanzi niongereire kuuga ati marise bare magakorwo makigarurukania maumirira thutha wa kuguthwo ni timu ya Sudan na nguru 2 gwa gibugu kwao mucii.
We need at least 1 goal in the beginning. That is the most difficult thing. If we have an opportunity, if we play better offensively, if we can be better than the opponent, and what is important and what is so difficult, is if we come into a situation where we can get the first goal, I'm sure then we can run the game from there. So we need to get the first important goal, then we run the game from then.
Muhotani gatagati ga timu ya Kenya na timu ya Sudan agacemania na muhotani gatagati ga timu ya Nigeria na Libya aria marathaka umuthi kuria muhotani wa muthia ngucanio-ini ici akegwatira tigiti wa gutungata mbeteka-ini cia AFCON. Muthia timu ya bururi ya mubira wa maguru Harambee Stars macokeirie bururi-ini hwaini wa ira thutha wa kuthaka ngucanio yao na timu ya Black Stars kuma Ghana aria maramahotire bao 1 gwa gibugu. Na thutha wa maumira maya timu ici cierĩ ciregateire tigiti wa AFCON rigakorwo bururi-ini wa Egypt mwaka-ini uyu mweri-ini wa gatandatu.
It's not easy to be goalkeeper and to be a good goalkeeper, but he's on the way. Since I'm here with a full squad, he realized at least 5 clean sheets.
All of us, we played according to instruction from the coach. We expected to get something on that match, but definitely we didn't. So it was our last match. So I think we have enough time to prepare and face the big stage.
Ngiribotera metha ya mathako ya Kameme TV ni Ndarawa Gateri.